Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Samsung SmartThings for new device pairing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that your Samsung SmartThings app is downloaded and installed on your device. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't already, sign in with your Samsung account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once signed in, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of the home screen. This will take you to the Add Devices section. Choose device from the options listed. Select the brand of your new device from the list. Follow the specific instructions for your device model as they may vary. Ensure your new device is powered on and in pairing mode. Refer to the device's manual if you're unsure how to enable pairing mode. Once your device is in pairing mode, return to the SmartThings app. Tap on Scan Nearby to search for available devices. The app should detect your new device within moments. Select your device from the list of found devices. The app may prompt you to enter a security code or password. If prompted, enter the required credentials to proceed. Once authenticated, the app will connect to your device. You will receive a notification when the connection is successful. After connecting, customize your device settings as needed in the app. And finally, test the device to ensure it operates correctly with the SmartThings app. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated and paired your new device with Samsung SmartThings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.